Welcome class 8. Today's topic is Eureka Can. First we will learn about Archimedes. Archimedes was a Greek mathematician and inventor who gave the word or coined the word Eureka. Actually the story goes like this. There was a king named Hero who wanted to make a crown, and he asked his goldsmith to prepare a golden crown. So, when the crown was made by the goldsmith, the king was not satisfied. He suspected that the goldsmith had not made the crown of pure gold. So he asked Archimedes to find out whether the crown was actually made up of pure gold or not. So Archimedes spent a lot of time thinking to find out how the crown, whether the crown is made up of pure gold or not. So he took a lot of time and he went to take bath, and suddenly when he went inside the tub, he realized that the volume of any irregular shaped solid, when it goes inside water, when it is immersed inside the water, equal volume of water is displaced out of the tub. So when he went inside the tub, there was a rise in the level of water in the tub, and this was due to the water displaced by the part of his body which went inside the bathtub. So after that he found out the answer and he went shouting into the streets without his clothes, and he shouted Eureka, Eureka, which meant I have found it. So this is the story of Archimedes coining the word Eureka, and from here we come with Eureka Can. A Eureka can is a container with a spout. Here we can see this spout out here, and this is used to measure the volume of any regular or irregular solids that can fit inside the Eureka can. So when any object or solid is to be measured is taken, and this solid is immersed inside the liquid, the volume of water will raise, and that volume will be equal to the volume of the solid itself. So here the excess amount of water will flow out of the spout, and here when the water is collected, the displaced water is collected on the container which is marked. This volume is measured, and with this volume we will come to know about the volume of an irregular object or any object or solid for which the measurement is taken.